Hi, this is the Behringer CZ-1 mini synth, a 3-voice hybrid phase synthesizer with an analog filter and a chorus, inspired by the Casio CZ-1, the sound of the 80s TV themes. This isn't an in-depth video, but rather a few tips to help get some idea of how it functions out of the box. We have 16 presets, so we can select these here. So we go. So we have some brass, some chimes, some bass. Let's move down so we're in bass territory. Lead. Oh. More bass, 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 and an organ. Let's dive in, make some noise. Okay, so here we have our preset select. So if we go up, easy enough. If we use the function button, it changes the octave. So currently I think we're in octave 2. So octave 1, octave 0 is the lowest. If we want to go real low, we can change it by going function, pitch, and after the master tune, if we hit pitch again, we have an octave transpose and we go down even lower. Let's bring that back to normal. Hit pitch twice, and we were on -1. And we'll go back to our middle octave. From there we have our analog filter, which can really scream. And we have our chorus. And that's all the easy stuff. How do we edit these patches? So we'll start off with this organ, and let's see if we can make it a little bit more interesting. So first off, we're going to go and we're going to choose the line select here, so we only listen to oscillator 1 while we work on oscillator 1. So currently we have 1 plus 1, this is oscillator 1. Oscillator 2 currently sounds the same. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1. Exciting stuff. So let's go back to just listening to oscillator 1. We press DC01 and we have 2 waveforms we can select from this table. So we have a ramp, number 1, a square on number 2. We have a pulse on 3, a pulse sine on 4, a shark fin for number 5, and then 6, 7, and 8 are resonant waveforms. So we're going to change waveform 1 and 2 both to the same, which is the ramp for the moment. The DCW introduces, the DCW introduces harmonics. So as I press the key, we'll start off like a sine wave. You get the idea. So let's go to waveform 1 and we'll move through them. So currently it's on ramp. We're going to go now to square waves on 2. So this is square wave. The pulse. Pulse sine. The shark fin. I don't know what you call that one. And then what, the resonance. So let's try the square wave for waveform 1, waveform 2. Let's try that. And then we'll see. Let's maybe try that. What I'm going to do now is, well, we can, in here we have all these levels and rates which all associate themselves with this little ADSR over here. We don't need to use all of these steps, but level 1 here is the attack, and the attack on the DC-01 refers to the pitch. So the rate, RA1, is how fast it happens. At 99 it's instantaneous, near enough, and as we reduce that we'll hear how level is changing, what happens. So if I press the key, you can hear how the pitch is being changed, and that is a pitch change on this attack. Nope. So if we have this at 0, we have no pitch change no matter what the rate is. If we have it on 99, wonderful. So we'll take that down. The same will happen here on these levels. So this will be the decay, the pitch decay, how the pitch drops. Then we can have it on the sustain, etc. I'll do another video where we get more in depth. So let's move over to DCO. Oh, hang on, let me take off these silly pitch things here. Let me bring that to 0. Okay, so we're going to lengthen the notes. So we're going to go to DCA1 here. We're going to ignore these. We'll get into that later. The sustain and the end, we're going to move this so we have sustain being on 2 and end on 3. Again, there will be a full video explaining all of this. This is just to help you get started. So we have our sustain and our end. So when we come here, level 1 will be our attack, level 2 will be our sustain, so we need to bring that up so we can hear it. If you do this and you're at 0, you won't hear anything, so we need to bring up the sustain part. And then level 3 will be our release, so we can bring that up. And then if we shorten or reduce this value, that'll give us a long release. And if we go to 0, we can have near infinite sustain. Let's bring that so it's normal. So we'll compare that to Oscillator 2. That's what we started with, or very similar to. If we combine the two together now, we have, we drop the octave, that's a little bit more dramatic rather than what we started with. So what happens when we change the DCO2? So we'll bring that middle octave again just while we're working, and we'll listen to Oscillator 2, which is fairly boring. So we'll select DCO2, we'll find a couple of waveforms that we like the sound of, we'll bring some of this DCW up so we can hear the harmonics. there. Yeah, we'll try that. We'll add this ring mod on here, and we'll get into that when we find this detune in a second. So we'll add that. You won't hear anything just at the moment, but we will when we do this. So again, we're not going to go through the pitch envelope. We'll leave that as is. We'll go to the DCA. We'll lengthen the note. So we'll go to the sustain. We'll make that 2. We'll give the end 3. So now we have an attack sustain. So again, we need to turn level 2 up to be able to hear it. We'll go across to level 3 and we'll give it similar sort of long release. And we'll slow the attack. We'll see what that happens when we do 1 plus 2. Let's see what happens with the filter. And a little bit of chorus. Now let's say we want to add a little bit of modulation to the filter. We'll go function, filter, and we have the ADSR for that. If we press it again, we have our envelope amount. We'll turn that up while we're here. And then we have a modulation section as well, where we can have a triangle, square, saw, ramp, or a sample and hold to modulate the filter. We'll get there in a second. So we'll give it a little attack. So we have fade in, and we'll just give this something just to hear what we have. So let's see. Let's drop it down. Well, isn't that a little bit more interesting than the organ sound we started off with? There you have it. I will do other videos going a little bit more in depth, but that should get you creating something new out of the box. Thanks for watching.